Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Saitama inu coin. Guys, this video is very special for all of you because now today the Saitama inu is taken a quick jump, and absolutely there's a massive jump after Saitama inu. So first of all, celebrate this pump, and I want to congratulations to all Saitama inu holders. Guys, as I told you that Saitama inu will give you a huge profit at the last up. Okay, so same that's going on. 5.17% the price increased just in the last 24 hours. On the other side, if you look the price of the Saitama inu, so 0.00001028 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of the Saitama inu in the market today. And absolutely guys, today everything is going positive in the market, guys. Now if we talk about the future of Saitama inu, so you can see, my friends, day by day the price is going to increase. You can see here, look this chart. 10th August, 11th August, day by day, the price increasing gradually. You can see now those people who's buying Saitama inu on the 1st August, now they have a good enough amount of profit, guys. You can see here on the 7th August the price here, and now today is a 12th August, and today price here. Oh, that's a way to make money, guys. Anyways, now there is still opportunity with all of you because the price is still low. Guys, that's very low price coin. Invest now more and more in just hold to the last of 2021. They will make you a millionaire, no doubt. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Saitama? And also tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.